Over the years of my surveying life, I've collected many and bought many survey poles there, bipods, GPS poles, more bipods, total station pole, another pole and another pole there. And I'm at the point now where I have no use for these anymore. I could literally throw all these away. Well, I probably won't throw them away, but I have found one device which is going to replace all of that. Guess what it is? The Leica AP20 Autopole. G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor. Just a size comparison of the Leica CS20 Leica 360 degree prism and the AP20 Autopole device. You can see how they look. The star of the show here obviously is the AP20 Autopole, and I just wanted to show you how it's mounted upon the Leica GLS 51. Here we go, the Leica GLS 51 pole, which is a special pole from Leica designed for the Leica AP20. And all we do is slide it over the top here. You can see there's a hole here and a little button. So we slide it over the top. Oh, actually, and can you see the little divot there in the pole? That's what actually holds the AP20 on as well. So we slide it down and press this button here to lock it in place. Then we get our Leica 360 degree prism, plonk it on top. Job done.